Hey friends, if you wish to fix ACPI BIOS error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now first of all, disconnect the peripherals. This is stage number 1. Once this is done, the next one is as follows. Switch off your computer, remove the power cable, remove the battery, press the power button after removing the battery for 15 seconds. This will discharge the capacitors. Then uh, reconnect the battery and the power cable and then restart your computer. Now, if that doesn't help, then the last solution is an SFC scan. So here's how we perform this one. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Okay, and I'll show you once again. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.